Going over some of the preparation steps when receiving the Rainier plank. Once you receive it on your job site, you want to allow the boards to acclimate. We've let these acclimate for about 3 days on this project. After unpackaging all of them, you'll notice that it's already pre-sanded. So you're ready to go ahead and apply your wood oil on all 4 sides. I was lucky enough on this project to have a sports court to be able to spread out about 50 boards at a time and let the boards dry before installation. This is a really important step because you want all 4 sides of your board protected so it can equally expand and contract over time. All right, here's the tip for you after you've applied your wood oil and it's already dried. If you do not have enough area to store these boards, you can stack them face to face like this. This will prevent any damage to the finished face of your board prior to installation.